Off-roading is fun. There's a lot to learn, a lot of fun to be had. This is what I love. Yeah. Time to slow down. Rocks are hitting the stand. Okay, this can be slightly tricky. No. Yeah, first gear. Done. Yeah, I'm starting to sweat inside. All things said and done, this is quite an exercise as well. That was unnecessary, but what the hell. This is unnecessary as well. There was another one. Not sure what's the name of that. But yeah, nothing to worry about. Okay. Oof. Yeah. This can be a tricky. No, not bad. Took it on the sides. That's okay. Not too bad. Not too bad. These might be those infamous ones. Never tell. There's cars ahead. Always a good idea to stop and let them cross. Just been waiting here for about 2-3 minutes. I had some water. Took a few pics. Hopefully the cars would have crossed now, so this is going to be clear for me. The reason I stopped was if the car gets stuck in front of you again, it's better to just let the vehicle ahead pass first and do it one at a time. There is no point forming a chain of vehicles. And then if one gets stuck, you also get stuck. But actually, that was an exercise in futility, because this was never that bad to begin with. It seemed like that though. What is that? Yeah, another waterfall, not waterfall, water crossing waiting ahead. Maintain the pace. Okay, this is obviously gonna be a very tricky one for sure. Yeah, oh, that was deep. That was deep. Got through though. And the incline after this. My God, this was quite something. Not sure, this might be another water crossing. Looks like that. That would be bad to cross if there is too much water in there. Too slippery. Stones and incline was quite steep as well. So yeah, the view keeps getting better. Minus the cars. Slippery, slippery mud. This can be a problem. And it was. The rear was sliding completely other side. But yeah, this one we can take from the right. On a road like this, yeah, it needs your full attention. But yeah, you glimpse at what surrounds you. And if something that you like, you ride slow. Stop and take a picture. But yeah. All in good fun. The benefit of leaving early from Badr. Yeah. Manali 92. Rohtang top was 40 something. Nice. This is nice. That is what I was talking about. Concentrate on the road, but do checking out what surrounds you. And look at those red colored and yellow colored and white and all that mix, brown, black, you name it. Oh my god, that is slush. I'm not gonna go from. Okay, there's a way on the right as well. There's a way on the right as well. Hopefully, rocks. Yeah. Oh. Realize the chain was open. Can you believe that? Wonder what would have fallen off. Shit. Crazy, crazy me. I'm gonna just play it safe. Where that road is going. This is nothing. Keep on the left, not to feel too adventurous. The way I've been assaulting the bike, everything is held up quite nicely. I find it quite interesting. Change in the view. Chatru is about 2 kilometers. I think I might stop there. We'll see. Starting to see patches of green now. And now they look nice. Yeah, wow. After seeing too much of yellow and red, even green is quite pleasant. Starting to drizzle. That, my friends, is Chatru. beautiful scenery as well. Get some information about Rohtang Pass from here as well. Some of the vehicles might have been headed here from Manali. So we'll see.